Nope, the lake carries on. It looks like we've stumbled upon another bothy. Oh, my legs. I can only do a few more miles, I think, and then I'm going to have to pitch up. Oh. Ooh. I had a rat. Oh, there's a rat behind that bag. More gas. Well, I better carry on. Smells a fire. So we've come out of the trees now from that direction, and it's all opened up. I don't think there's much more of this lake journey. Well, I'll check on my maps in a minute, but I fucking hope not. This path's great though. Yeah, the lake's getting thinner and thinner, so I really think that this is the end of it. So we'll see, yeah. Beautiful. Another nice little waterfall. That was all the way down to the big lake. Oh, my feet. It still looks like I've got miles of lake to do. I think I have. I don't know how big this is. I mean, Loch Ness, it takes 7 to 8 days to walk around it. There's a trail like this that goes all the way around. You can do it with this one. I'm not sure how many days it takes to hike round Loch Lomond. It's probably something similar, but I'm not sure. Yeah, the big bloody things they are. They've got all sorts, haven't they? They've got bacon butties, yeah. Eggs, cheese and pickle, cans, loads of good stuff.
Honestly, so you take it and you want to take this?
No, you're alright, you're alright. So, Fort William, 68 miles.
I was just saying it's developed over the years. It used to be like
68 miles, Milngavie. So I've come 28 miles. Milngavie, that's where I started. I thought I'd done more than that, to be fair, but